Welcome to Beaumont's Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to make awesome burgers. Quite a simple dish, but I thought I'd show you the Beaumont style burger. So you definitely want to check that out. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Tons of other videos to check out. But first, let's do our awesome burger. I'm actually going to do the burger in an air fryer. You can also do the burger in a fry pan, and you can also do it on a grill. Let's get started with our burgers. So let's get started with our burgers in an air fryer. Okay, so we need to roughly about a pound of, you can do a pound of lean or extra lean ground beef depending on how much fat you like in your burger. I do like a fair amount of fat in mine, so I'm going to do a regular ground beef. This is almost a pound and a quarter, so that's fine. Toss that into the bowl. All right, toss some seasoning in there, and we're going to get in there and mix it up, so make sure your hands are clean. That's important. Toss some garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. All right, toss some of that in there. We got some barbecue sauce. All right. Yeah, it's not too hard to make burgers, but I thought I'd show you some burgers. If you don't know how to make them, I can definitely show you like a really good burger. So we got an egg, one large egg is good. And who doesn't love burgers, right? Mm-hmm. Some pepper. Yeah, we'll just do a touch of salt. Good. Some breadcrumbs. All right, now mix this all up. Hey, mix. Mix her all up. Nice burgers. Now we're gonna shape our burger. When I shape the burgers, I usually just do them by hand. That's totally fine. Yeah, I just sort of make them like so. Move this over here so you can see how we're gonna form the burgers. All right. Very, very exciting. I always love making burgers. It's great. And they're always so yummy. So, yeah, here we go. Of course, we're going to serve the burger with cheese and bacon and tomato. If you have lettuce, you can do lettuce as well. You can do pickles. Yeah, there's no limits with burgers. Yeah, so just make the burgers like so. Just like so. So we're just gonna preheat the air fryer a little bit so it gets a little hot, and then we can toss the burgers in. So tossing the burgers on the grill. So I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. It's all in there, so let's close the lid. It's all heated up, and then we're just gonna put them in for 15 minutes, and then we'll have some nice, beautiful burgers. Okay, we're gonna get some bacon going for the burgers. Forget the burgers. Okay. Toss the bacon on first. And flip the burgers. Okay. This will be interesting. All right. Definitely need some more time. There's some onions for our burgers. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you. Yeah, can't have burgers without fried onions. Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waiting. Bacon's looking happy, but we'll season our onions. Pepper. Salt. Oh yeah, they're getting there. They're getting there. So the good buns I got for the burgers are the brioche buns. Really good. So yeah, I think the burgers need a bit more time, so I'm gonna say another 5 minutes. Tomatoes? Can't have burgers without tomatoes. Mm-hmm. The top are done, and then the ones on the bottom I'm gonna give a few more minutes, and then they'll be all ready to go. And you want to make sure your internal temperature is about 170. Okay, let's build our burgers. Oh, ketchup and mayonnaise, important. Slices of that. Some mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise, let's say both sides. Perfect. Can't forget the ketchup. Burgers. It's one burger. There. One burger there. Burger there. Cheese. Okay. A couple tomatoes. 1 and 2. And a few slices of bacon. Voila. Yeah, burgers aren't too hard, but I thought I'd just show you a Beaumont style burger. Okay. Onions. Like so, and there you have it. A nice burger. Burger. Give the burger a try. Looks like a good burger. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Tons of other videos to check out here, so please do. And hope you enjoyed the awesome burger. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.